And we're back to learning Illustrator in here, day 201. Let me show the zigzag effect. It's the final one under the distort and transform effects right here. When you check the preview, you can see the effect applied. You cannot completely undo it by unchecking the preview, but definitely make sure that it's checked, and then you can use the slider and you see the effect in real time. Once again, absolute and relative values can be used. This is for the size, so basically how intense these ridges will be. But the amount of ridges will be set below with ridges per segment. Be aware that if you add quite a lot, you cannot go that high in size because this creates overlaps. So you're going to get these fragments, especially at the corners. And then you can smoothen them out if you just want to have a wave kind of effect, and the corner effect will give you these sharp angles. It also works on text. And here, interestingly, it already creates a nice effect when you go to 0 for ridges, and you just use the first slider right here for the size. So when you have that 0 ridges and then you use the size, basically these letters are being a little bit transformed and rotated. And then ridges, once again, it gives you these zigzag outlines. You can make them sharp using corners or give them these wave kind of designs using right here smooth. And this all can use the zigzag effect in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.